Are you cooking everything?
Yeah.
Perla, are you cooking the chimis?
I use the microwave for chimichangas for 1 minute before they fry. The taste really good.
I hear chicken chimichangas.
Ooh. Chimichanga. It's dry. It's shards of dry chicken.
God, now what?
Here's the thing, honestly. Chimichangas, chuck it in the bin. What a shame.
Perla, he hates the chimis. He didn't like them.
I taste before